Hello kids, today you will learn a new lesson in EVS. Introduction. Life is not possible without water. We use water in all the basic tasks in our everyday life. Water is very important for us. Here are some uses of water. Drinking, bathing, cooking, washing. From where do we get water? Wells, taps, rainwater, rivers, streams, ponds, etc. So today you will learn a new lesson in EVS on water. Chapter 18, Too much water, too little water. What will you learn in this lesson? 1. Consumption of dirty water or polluted water is harmful to our body. 2. We should not waste water or we will face water shortage in future. Here is a short story of a girl named Suguna who stays in Nalamada in Andhra Pradesh. One day, while she was reading a book, she heard someone at the door. He was a visitor from the city. Appa welcomed him. When Appa asked Selva to bring cold drink for the visitor said that he will have a glass of water and not cool drink. Appa said, "These days we are not getting water that is fit for drinking. It does not even look clean. It would be better if you do not drink this water." This story tells you that a place in Andhra Pradesh faces problems related to water. Sometimes they get water which is not fit for drinking. It even looks dirty. Hence, Suguna's Appa offers cold drink for the visitor. But when the visitor asks for a glass of water, Appa says that the water is not fit for drinking. Let us see what happens in Bazar Gaon in Maharashtra. Water games, Bazar Gaon, Maharashtra. There was a big park near Bazar Gaon. One day, Rohan and Reena went with their parents to the water park. There were many water fountains. Reena said, "Look, Rohan, there are so many water rides in the water. And look at all these big ponds." Just then they heard a lot of noise and loud voices from outside the park. Everyone ran towards the main gate. There was a crowd of people carrying empty buckets and pots. Rohan's mother went to one of the women in the crowd. "What is the matter?" she asked. The woman replied angrily, "You ask what is the matter? Our wells have no water. We get our water only when the tanker comes once a week. Today, even that has not come. And here, there is so much of water everywhere, just for you all to play and enjoy." Here there is a park where there are water rides and big ponds. On the other side, the villagers have to face water shortage. They get water only once a week. Water is available to play and enjoy, but what about the basic needs of the people of that area? Their needs are neglected. So you should save water. You should turn off your taps when you are not using water. Do not have shower baths. Catch rainwater. Check your taps for leaks and turn off your taps when you are brushing your teeth. Here is another short story. Can we drink this? Today was a holiday in school. Deepak had gone with his mother to Razia Madam's house. His mother worked there. The house was quiet and cool and shining clean. Razia was reading a newspaper. She smiled when she saw Deepak. "Is it a holiday today?" Razia called out, "Pushpa, It says in the newspaper that the gutter water has got mixed with the water in the drinking water pipes. It says that many people are sick with diarrhea and vomiting because of this. Why don't you throw away the water that was filled yesterday? Put some fresh water to boil for drinking. Also, take home some boiled water for your family. Deepak was very happy to hear this. He thought, at least today I will not have to stand in a queue for hours to get water for a house. It is a real holiday for me. In this story, the newspaper headline says that the gutter water has got mixed with the water in the drinking water pipes, and many people are sick due to this. So, Razia madam asks Pushpa, her maid, to boil some fresh water for drinking. She also asks Pushpa to take home some boiled water for her family. Dirty water can cause many diseases like cholera, diarrhea, typhoid, and even polio. To avoid all this, we need to boil water for drinking or even use water purifiers. What have you learned today? 1. Consumption of dirty water can be harmful to us. 2. We should not waste water or we will face water shortage in future. 3. If we drink dirty water, we may fall sick with diarrhea and vomiting. 4. We should save water or use water carefully. Now it's activity time. Some hints are given below and you have to name the sources of water. Water that falls from the sky is dash. What is it? A hole dug into the earth to get water is called dash. Can you name it? Small still water body. Sunlight may reach the ground. What is it? Larger and deeper than ponds. Can you guess what is it? And flowing stream of water. What is it? Another one for you. Now you should say yes if we need water to do the following task or no if not. Do we need water to do it? Say yes or no. 1. Swimming. 2. Skipping. 3. Fishing. 4. Washing dishes. 5. Making chapatis. 6. Drawing. 7. Stitching. 8. Watering plants. And 9. Singing.